Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this electronic watering timer from Parkside for reliable automatic irrigation of your garden. Programmable irrigation schedules 6, irrigation direction minimum 1 minute to maximum 9 hours and 59 minutes, irrigation rhythm daily to weekly, click system, hose connection suitable for standard hose systems, 3 years warranty, accessories included. And let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, if you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Two 2A batteries. Included at the box we have the adapter for coupling the hose, silicone rubber, prevents any leaks, and here around it is plastic. The adapter 33.3mm, there it is, and included inside we have the filter. There's the filter. This is the union nut 33.3mm, and you can use this adapter and it goes from 33.3mm to 26.5mm. Goes here, and you can connect it at the main water supply. I will show you of course how you can do that. At the front we have the on-off button, the timer button, rotary control, the set button, and the button for the water on-off. It is quite durable, I can say. At the back we can install the batteries. We need to remove this screw. We can see inside we have silicone rubber around, prevents any water to go inside at the battery compartment and damage the unit. And there is then the display, huge display. We need to set up the time. To do that you need to press and hold this button, the time button, for about 2 seconds. It starts to flash the hour, and with a rotary you can adjust the hour. 11, set, goes at the minute. You can see it is very easy with a rotary knob. Set, and next you can choose the days. It is Monday, and that was all. Time was set up. Now to program this automatic watering, we need to press and hold the set button for 2 seconds. It will start flashing the program. Then with a rotary you can choose the program from 1 to 6, the maximum. 1, set, start the hour. Now it is 11:15. 11, set, again, minute, adjust the minute. 30, set, how long you want to run the automatic watering. You can choose the hours, maximum it is 9 hours. Set, it goes to the minute. Maximum 59 minutes. I will choose 1 minute. Set. You can choose 24 hours or second, third, fourth, fifth. Now I will choose 24 hours. Off or on? On. Set. Let's go to the second program. Set, start. Again you can adjust. Now I don't care, I will just adjust any time. Okay, run time. Set again. And now I will choose the second. And we can see every 2 days it will turn on, off or on, on. Third program. set, again adjusting, 24 hours it is the time, you can choose on 12 hours, I will show you, set again, for 3 hours and 5 minutes. Third, and now we can see every 3 days it will turn on or off. You can choose to turn on or off with this rotary knob. On. For program, set again, start, run time, let's choose 5, set. And we can see every 5 days, off or on again, on, program 5, set, the start time, run time again, adjustments, and then I will choose, of course you can choose manually, you can see which day you want. Let's say only Friday, yep, why not? And then you can choose other days, manual, maybe you want the Tuesday, set. If you are going to press again the button, you can choose other day. Nice, I like it. There it is. That was manually choosing the days. So easy. And of course you can manually turn on or off this automatic watering. Just press and hold for 2 seconds. You can hear the click. Press again, off. Nice, I like it. Well, if it is on, you can adjust, of course, set how long it will run. 2 hours, set, and 4 minutes, set. And of course you can switch it off, manual. You can choose 12 hours or 24 hours, you can see the AM here. And of course you can switch off the display, press and hold for 2 seconds, off, and the run time. It is off right now, the unit. Press for 3 seconds, now it is on. So easy to adjust all that, I like it. It helps a lot with a knob. And we can see at the battery indicator it is full, we have 3 lines. So let's connect it on my water supply and see how it works. First I need to connect the adapter from 33.3 to 26.5 mm. And then the electronic watering timer with the union nut 33.3 mm. And in the end the adapter for the hose. The housing, it is splash-proof IPX4. Turn on the water supply, press and hold the button for 2 seconds, and we have running water. Press once and it stops instantly. Now let's go at the program 1 and wait until 11:30. And then the water will run precisely for 1 minute. It is your choice how long you want to have the water on, from 1 minute to 9 hours and 59 minutes. And after 1 minute it will stop. And of course you can choose other programs. You can adjust all the settings to your needs, how often you want to water in your plants. It is a good choice to have this electronic watering timer if you are traveling, you are busy, and with the right tube installation on your garden, balcony, or anywhere else, you will not have to worry anymore when to water your plants. On a very low cost, only 18 euros. It is a value of money. I like it, it is a good product. So until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.